Good evening, the Blinking Idiot is back. Today I'll tell you a story about human psychology at large. Now, the story is actually about 8 monkeys, and the outcome of the story came out in a research paper from J.R. Stephenson in 1966 saying cultural acquisition of a learned response in rhesus monkeys. Now, this is how the story goes. 8 rhesus monkeys were put it in a closed room. In the center of the room, a ladder was placed, and on the top of the ladder, there was a bunch of bananas hanging. Now, as soon as the monkeys saw the bananas, they tried to go and climb up the ladder and get the bananas. Now, there was a control experiment, as in control to this experiment, which was put. And what was this? As soon as the monkeys were going towards the ladder and trying to climb up the ladder, all the monkeys were getting drenched by icy cold water from a shower that was placed in the room. And every time any monkey was trying to go there, all of the monkeys were getting drenched. I mean, this control was being done by the experimenter, as in the person who was sitting outside the room. Multiple times the monkeys attempted to go near the ladder, and at one point of time they realized that they will not be able, as soon as they get up, they will get drenched. So anybody who was trying to go, as in anybody in the group who was trying to go in front of the ladder, all the other monkeys were huddling together and were beating him up. Now, at this point of time, the experiment becomes a little interesting. What the experimenter does is he goes inside the room and replaces one of the existing monkeys with a new monkey. So the new monkey, being new to this environment, immediately looks up at the bananas and tries to go towards the ladder. As soon as he does that, all other monkeys, they know that all of them will get drenched, immediately huddle up together and they beat up this monkey. The new monkey who was trying to reach up the ladder. 2-3 times it happened. 2-3 times the new monkey attempted, and every time he got beaten up. At one point of time, he understood that the norm here is not to go near the ladder. As soon as he goes near the ladder, he'll get the beating of his life. Now, at this point of time, experimenter made a change again. He replaced another existing monkey with a new monkey. And the same behavior happened, right? The new monkey came in this environment in the room. It was new for him. The new monkey looked at the bananas and he started going towards the ladder. As soon as the monkey started climbing the ladder, the other monkeys gave the beating of his life, as in beat him up and discouraged him or did not allow him to go up the ladder. And finally, the second monkey also realized that it would not be possible for him to climb up the ladder. Now, when this beating was happening, the first monkey, who did not get drenched, also beat up the second monkey without realizing why he is beating. The first monkey first monkey who got replaced, this was the norm. As in, if anybody goes towards the ladder, you beat him up. Okay, so this experiment continued. One after another, the monkeys got replaced. The second monkey got replaced, the third monkey got replaced, the fourth monkey got replaced, and it continued. After a certain point of time in the experiment, all the monkeys got replaced. And this is where the outcome or the experiment becomes interesting. When all the monkeys got replaced, nobody got drenched in the cold shower, right? But any new monkey, when he was introduced in this environment, with all these new replaced monkeys also, and they were trying to climb up the ladder, all the other monkeys were beating him up without even knowing why they were beating him up. And this is about this experiment. This is about the story about the 8 monkeys. And now this is about the psychology. The interesting part here is about the psychology, and you will find a parallel with human psychology as well. How many times have we as human beings followed blind cultural dogmas, blindly followed stereotypes at our workplaces and at our homes, have got carried away with our biases that have been carried out over the generations, or followed practices, social and religious practices, without even thinking, without even questioning as to why we are doing that. So this is ideally a psychological experiment which has real results, and it got published in a paper by Jefferson, J.R. Jefferson. Okay, this is about the experiment and this is about the story. So think about it as to why we behave in certain way, as in why we blindly follow cultural dogmas, See, stereotypes does not get built in a day, as in a cultural dogma or a practice does not get built in a day. It gets hammered time again and again and again, and we start blindly following a cultural practice without even questioning that. And so, like the monkeys, like the behavior of the monkeys here. Okay, that's about it. So if you like my videos, do subscribe and share within your social circles. Press the bell icon so you get notified about any new video that gets uploaded. Thank you. Think about the story and read about the experiment with 8 monkeys and the paper research paper published by J.R. Jefferson. Thank you.